Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today I'm going to show you how to cut fabric with your Cricut Maker. You guys, this is a thing that I'm kind of seeing, but I'm not really seeing it. I want to see you guys start using your Maker for fabric. A bunch of reasons why I love cutting fabric. One is it will not dull your blade. It's the easiest thing to cut that keeps the longevity of your machine going. The second is it doesn't clog, it doesn't ruin your mat. And the thing we learned when I was at Cricut Mountain Makeathon when the Maker first came out was do not clean your mat. Girl, if I don't have to clean my mat, I'm for it. So I love that you can just leave the threads on your mat because that rotary blade is just gonna get right through those threads. It's not a problem. It doesn't leave paper behind, it doesn't leave anything behind. And the things that are left behind, you just leave them on your mat. So even if your mat's not super sticky because you're using a rotary blade, you don't really have to worry about it like dragging your fabric or getting jammed. You guys, I have the least amount of problems with fabric and felt. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to cut fabric and some tips and tricks, but it's very simple. That's why I want to see most people getting behind it. If you're interested in my sewing stuff, I will have a ton of sewing patterns coming out this year that work on your Cricut. I want to come out with more of them. And for me to do that, I need to see you guys using them, which means I need to see you guys learning how to use fabric with your Maker, okay? It's the only reason I still use the Cricut Maker is because I love cutting felt and fabric. So let's go. So because the Cricut can only cut 11.5 by 24.5 of fabric, I love it because I can just use up scraps that I have lying around. And even sometimes that's even too big. So I'll show you how I like to cut my fabric, especially if I'm using up the entire mat. I just lay it from one corner and make sure all of the wrinkles are out. And then I clip and tear at the 11.5 inch mark. And if you don't know, clip and tearing is one of the easiest ways to get a straight line on your fabric. And I'm currently working on the dolls for my doll houses. I would love to have like a whole line of dolls that you could sew with your Cricut. Slowly testing that out. So I just thought, let's get you guys familiar with cutting fabric first, and then I can teach you guys how to sew more projects. So you are going to need your rotary blade. Most makers, I believe, come with them, or if you have an older Maker, the rotary blade probably came with it, but you may have to purchase it separately now. And you can see just how easy this is. It just makes all the steps so much faster to sewing because you don't have to cut out a pattern and then trace it and then cut out your fabric. The machine's just cutting your fabric for you. Although I will show you different ways you can use your machine to cut out patterns in another video. So if you want to see how to make reusable patterns and different things, check that out. So you may need to go in and cut little pieces that accidentally didn't cut. And like I said, you do not need to clean your mat, which is one of my favorite things about this. You'll also want to use the pink fabric mat. I'm not sure what makes it that much different, but it's pink, so I'm for it. And you can just keep going and going. And here's a little tip. Before you unload, just double check that it cut all the way through. And then if it's good to go, you can just unload it. This is going to be a little tiny bear, but just look how precise this cuts. It's really, really awesome. So then I wanted to see if I could cut faux suede. So I went to fabric, and then they actually had it under there. There's a lot of different fabrics on here. And I was actually cutting this bear out by hand. And then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to give it a try and see if it'll handle it. And it had a couple little hiccups, but for the most part, it cut it so good. I was so excited when this worked. If you need a Maker, check the links down below. If you don't have a Maker, if you do have a Maker, get that thing out and start cutting fabric. What are you waiting for? See you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.